Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, on the Euro Yen, I still think it is very, very clearly a 1, 2, 3. I think that we're most likely in a wave 4 right now, which will probably look something like this, and eventually probably back up for that wave 5. So, I still think that we're in an uptrend that's not over on the monthly time frame. Going down to the weekly time frame, I think it's very clear that this is an A. I think this is also very clearly a wave B. Sometimes what we think is a wave B will actually just keep on going up, so we have to be aware of that. But more than likely, that's not what's going to happen. More than likely, it will go down again for a wave C of wave 4. I'm thinking the 50% Fibonacci retracement is a likely area for this to end. Taking it down to the daily time frame is where you can start to see the trend down for the A, and then the trend up for the A or B, three waves for the B or B, and I think we're in a five-way pattern up for the C or B. I was still targeting the 123 or the 138, but the 100% is also a level where this could turn. So if we do see a break of structure on the sort of time phase, we definitely need to be aware that a break of this trend right here will probably be the end of a wave B, and probably the beginning of a bigger downtrend for the wave C of 4. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we got our Fibonacci retracement on this last little push up right here, which is just a last impulsive move up. Until we actually break this structure right here, which we definitely haven't done so yet, I'm still very, very bullish. I think that anything we see to the downside is likely still just a correction to the move up. Until we actually get a break of structure on the correctly tuned time frame, I'm definitely looking for longs in a uptrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci on this move down, because this move down is very, very likely a wave A of a correction. This move up is very likely a wave B of a correction, and I think we're going to go down for a wave C of an ABC correction, which is likely just a correction to the last impulsive move up. So if you do see three waves down to a Fibonacci level on like the 4 hour time frame, or if you want to sort the end of this wave B, that also is a pretty good trade. I personally think the best trade to do is waiting for the end of a three-way pullback to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. All the higher time frames are telling us to look for longs. That's why I definitely think you need to focus on longs. If you're more of a short time frame trader, you can try to sort the wave seed, but be very careful sorting in such a strong uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.